Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in corporate filings. And let's just say this filing has a little something about extending someone's time in the sun, which might mean some new sunny days ahead, or maybe just a longer wait for what's next. Today we're digging into Commerce.com Inc.'s latest 8K report, a crucial document that tells us about important company events and, like always, if you want more easy to understand breakdowns of these financial and corporate documents, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our Discord community linked in the description below for even more insights and discussions. Alright, so Commerce.com Inc. has just filed a new report, and it seems like there's been a decision made about leadership. Specifically, they're extending the term of Ellen F. Siminoff as executive chair. It's not just a simple extension, though she's getting a nice boost to her compensation package, which always tells a story about what the board thinks of her role and the company's future. This decision was made on September 10th, and it means Ellen will continue as executive chair for another year starting October 1st. Think of an executive chair as a very senior role, often leading the board and guiding the company's strategic direction. It's a pretty big deal when someone's role is extended, especially with extra perks. Now let's talk about the specifics of this extension. The board approved an annual cash payment of $200,000 for Ms. Siminoff. This money will be paid out in 4 equal installments throughout the year, so roughly $50,000 every quarter. This is a clear sign that the company values her contributions and is willing to pay top dollar to keep her on board guiding the ship. Beyond the cash bonus, Ms. Siminoff is also being granted an option to buy a significant chunk of company stock. That's 2047,963 shares of Commerce.com Inc.'s common stock. This is part of their 2020 equity incentive plan, and here's the kicker: these shares will vest, meaning she can buy them over 12 months in equal monthly installments. The catch is she has to stay with the company through each vesting date. This stock option is a powerful incentive for her to stay committed and focused on growing the company's value, because if the stock price goes up, so does the value of her option. It's also worth noting that Commerce.com Inc.'s common stock is traded on the Nasdaq Global Market. This is a major stock exchange, so it means the company is publicly traded and subject to all the reporting requirements we're looking at right now. Companies listed on Nasdaq are generally expected to meet certain financial and governance standards. The specific stock being discussed here is their Series 1 common stock with a very small par value of 0, some par value of 0 small l or 1 per share. This par value is mostly a legal formality and doesn't reflect the actual market price of the stock. The numbers we're interested in are how the company performs and how much those stock options could be worth. Now, looking at this filing, it's all about this leadership extension and compensation. It's not a financial results report like a 10Q or 10K. So we don't have revenue figures or profit margins to dissect directly. However, this kind of announcement does give us clues about the company's stability and direction by showing us confidence in its leadership. From a Warren Buffett perspective, we look for companies with strong management that are investing in their future, and this extension with increased incentives definitely points towards the company believing Ellen Siminoff is a key asset for their ongoing strategy. It's a bet on her ability to navigate challenges and drive growth in the periods ahead. The risk here is if this extension and compensation package were made in response to a perceived weakness or a need to retain a leader who might otherwise leave. However, without more financial context, it's safer to interpret this as a positive signal of confidence and continuity. In conclusion, Commerce.com Inc. is showing a clear commitment to its current executive chair, Ellen F. Siminoff, by extending her term and offering significant financial incentives. This suggests a belief in her leadership and a desire for strategic stability at the top. The stock options are a strong tie between her personal success and the company's performance. So what's your take on this leadership move? Was it expected or a surprise? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more corporate insights. Don't forget to join our Discord community in the description for more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.